lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we're just apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kiss you and call you sweetheart? Though the cherry in your parlor seems empty and bare, do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? If your heart filled with pain, shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're solemn tonight. You know, someone said that the world's stage and each must play a part. Fate that we play in love with you as my sweetheart. Act 1 was when we met. I loved you at first glance. You read your lines so cleverly and never miss you at you. Then came Act 2. You seem to change and your act strange. And why I'll never know. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me, and I have to cause you to doubt, but I'd rather go on hurting lying his lies than go on living without you. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?